कोई तो ले लो। ओह हेलो, ये जो सारे कपड़े आपको दिख रहे हैं वो तो मैं बेचने के लिए लाई थी, मगर कोरोना के चक्कर में तो कोई नहीं मिल रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा अपने साथ ही कुछ कर लेती हूँ। मैंने कुछ कपड़े रखे हुए हैं अपने पेयर्स में और उनके ऊपर एक एक नंबर है, और मैं अपने असिस्टेंट को यूज करूंगी ये डिसाइड करने के लिए कि मैं कौन सा नंबर लूँ। और बहुत सारे वियर कॉम्बिनेशन है, कुछ अच्छे हैं, फिर मैं उनको चेंज करके इधर आऊंगी और मम्मा डिसाइड करेंगे कि वो फन है या फिर उतने अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं, और मुझे डेयर भी दे सके। तो ये बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस का ट्रेंड मिक्सअप होगा। तो स्टार्ट करें। 11 आउटफिट्स हैं। Hey Google, pick a number from 1 to 11.
6.
6. So this is 6. ये है मेरे कपड़े, तो मैं 6 का टैग हटा दे रही हूँ। तो मैं चेंज करके आती हूँ, फिर आप भी देख लेना। ओके, बाय।
There she is in her new outfit. So Kaavya, tell us, what are you wearing?
So I am right now wearing some winter pajamas, a kurta, a cotton kurta, and then I'm wearing this headband just for an accessory. You may want to make a look out of this. So अब मैं आपको डेयर के बारे में थोड़ी और डिटेल्ड फैक्ट बता देती हूँ। मुझे डेयर इसलिए मिलेंगी अगर मम्मा को मेरे कपड़े थोड़े वियर्ड लगेंगे तो फिर मम्मी को 10 से रेट करेंगी, और अगर रिस्पॉन्स 5 से कम आया तो मुझे डेयर करनी पड़ेगी। मम्मा, योर रिस्पॉन्स प्लीज।
So I think I can give you a 7.5 for this.
Yahoo! I don't have to get a dare. तो अब हम नेक्स्ट चीज करते हैं अपना। Hey Google, choose a number from 1 to 11. 5. I get 5. All right. Oh yes, this is 5. I got a beautiful purse and my dress. Love it. Okay, so I'll see you when I wear this.
Ta-da! Look number 2.
Look at me. This look I really like. I wanted to get this one. Beautiful for me. So rate लीजिए buddy और Mama rate me.
This dress is pretty nice, and I think I'm gonna give you a 9.
Oh yes. Okay, so let's get for the next look.
Here's a random number 3.
3.
Number 3.
Let's
So what do we have
see.
a 3?
Oh, this one is a 3. Oh, this is nice. I have a jumper and then I have a headband. So let's see.
Yeah. Okay, look what we've got. Oh my god. You're wearing a jumper and a veil.
Yeah, so it's like I'm gonna defend it. It's like a western and like normal wedding type thing.
Really? So I don't like this look as much. So I'm gonna give you a 4.5. Yay!
But
Yeah.
you will. Now you should take a tip.
Okay, let me pick a tip then.
A bear. Okay, not that much.
So act like an animal of your choice.
Oh god. Okay, that's not so bad. I wish to act like a monkey. I love monkeys.
Sure.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Give me a banana. That's it.
Here's a random number 2.
2.
Number
Oh, I have
2.
2 here, right below. This is nice, I guess. So let's see. Look at me, look at me.
What is this colorful narangi that you're looking?
I feel like a girly floral church.
Why Charlie Chaplin?
Because I have this topi. So mama, rate me.
Though this looks really weird, but I'll give you a 6.
6. Okay, nice, good. So next outfit,
10.
10.
Number 10.
Let's see which is number 10 there. Yes. Oh, this one. Okay, not bad.
Okay. Okay. Now what is this, Kaavya?
Fashion.
Give you a 3.5 of this. So the dare that we've got now is keep your mouth until the next dare. Ew. Shut up.
1.
Number 1. Is that number 1? Okay, let's see. So dress number 5. Oh, you're still taped. Such a nice thing. Think I will give you an 8. Time for the next one.
Here's a random number 4.
Number 4. Okay then, the next look. Oh, you're still taped. What is this? Oh my god. Are you wearing your shorts on top of your dress? You're a Superman? Wearing a chaddi over your dress? Superwoman? Supergirl? I just don't want to see this look again. So I wait you 3. Time for a dare.
That got very sweaty.
So the next dare is hold 2 full bags and walk on your toes.
No. No.
So are you ready for the dare?
Yeah.
So you're gonna walk around with these 2 bags. Are they heavy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start.
Yeah. This is it.
I'm just sad. Mama, get a new number.
Here's a random number 11.
11. Alright. I've been wanting to try this dress for a real while. Let me tell you. So let's change.
Ooh. That looks really nice. Wow. It's quite glamorous, I must say.
Thank you very much.
So this one I'm gonna give you a 9.
Whoa. Let's go.
8.
8. Let's see. Let's see. Okay.
So look number 9. Oh my god. I really like the skirt though. The lehenga looks pretty nice. But what's with the t-shirt?
What? It's
What a
like
lehenga.
Western.
Oh my god. And you're also wearing a Minnie Mouse headband.
You know,
So-
so it's like a kiddie into Western wedding.
I think I'm gonna give you a, a 5.
So that means that I have to do a dare?
Yeah.
Okay. What do I got?
Put an ice cube in your mouth for 30 seconds.
Okay, so I'm gonna go get some ice cube.
Sure.
Okay. Did you miss me? So I got some ice. I don't want to slip. Okay.
Okay. So what I'm thinking is, because I don't want you to have ice for a very long time in your mouth, so you can put it and I'm gonna count only till 15.
No, it's a 30 seconds.
So that's okay. I'll count till 15 and then you'll have to put it up. Okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it.
We only have 2 more options left. 7 and 9. So whatever I get, I have to wear, and then others is like happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of 7 and?
9. There are only 2 left now.
9.
9. Alright. Oh, this is very casual. I have to wear jeans, some top, and cute little bands. We'll see when I do.
Okay, so here is the last outfit. That looks quite nice.
Casual look.
Pretty
like
smart.
I wear in a daily basis.
Yeah, I like the jeans and I like the kurta. The
Rate
short
me.
kurta. What?
Rate me.
Right. I think I'm going to give you an 8.5 for this. This is very, very chic and very, very nice. I like
Okay,
it.
so we don't have any options left to wear, and so we just have this thing left.
Last outfit of the day. Yoo-hoo!
This one. This is gonna be fun.
Okay, so here we have the last look of the day. Woohoo! I like this one. It's quite nice and
This is a
floral.
Sophia purse.
Oh, I like that purse as well.
And also these are my favorite like bright vibrant colors, and this is like I don't wear this very often. I wear this.
No, but I think this looks quite nice.
Please
And
rate
for
me.
this, I'm going to give you a 7.5.
Not bad. But this is one regret. Any of these outfits I didn't wear a 10.
Aww. For the overall video and overall you, I give you a 110.
Yay!
So I think it was a very good video. Any last comments that you want to give?
Sure. So this video was a lot of fun.